Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about girl names for dogs. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about girl names for dogs is www.printactivities.com. See the page titled Print Activities, Printable Worksheets for Kids Grade. This is the link. You can also try virtualworlds14s.com, especially the page Avatar Names for Girls, Cute and Cool, Virtual Worlds 4. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.locensaustralia.com. The web page thousands of names for your dog, horse, cat, pet or child. This is the link.